Hey everyone and welcome back to my channel Crypto Light. Hope you all are doing great. So finally I'm here to tell about the amazing project, but before starting the video I would like to ask you that if you're new in my channel, so kindly subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon for further notifications. So let's start the review. Crypto winners win big with winners from memes to millions, gain up to 30x at launch, earn up to 40x with instant daily prizes, price prediction via organic deflation, 300x ROI on chain VRF lotteries. Here you can check it out, the social platform. Here you can see their pre-sale and see how you can buy these tokens. Their pre-sale end in 18 hours, some minutes and some seconds. Here you can see their per winners price is 0.00016 USD. Simply connect your wallet, write your amount and see how much token you will get. First we have their daily draw instant win with crypto winners. This is an amazing platform. I am telling you about their daily draw bit later. Discover winners, the meme powered crypto lottery, Pappy, Turbo, Shiba and more. What's the point of having them locked in your wallet? Unleash their true potential with high stakes lotteries crafted to tap into each coin's unique power, all driven by crypto winners. Earn up to 30x gain at launch. Early buyers can secure up to 30x gains at launch simply by being first. Deflationary price protection. Built-in deflationary measures help maintain and boost winners' token value. Transparent lotteries, smart contract powered 300x lotteries ensure fairness and security. Win up to 40x in daily prize draw. Winners token daily draw winners earn up to 40x their original buy in direct to their wallet. Next we have the media. The hype is real. Asia token funds. Crypto winners secure 30x gain and compete for 300x meme powered lottery wins. Tech announcer. Crypto winners launches first on-chain yield engine for meme coins, enabling 20x to 300x returns. Roll Bitcoin. Crypto winners launches with 30x gains and compete for 300x meme-powered lottery wins. This is an outstanding platform. First we have their winners roadmap, your winning journey. Phase 1 prize pooling. Winners token prize pool sale, daily draw lottery for all, develop lottery contract and UI. Phase 2 launch. Delivery of winners token coins, list on DEX at $0.007. Release first 4 lottery contract and UI. Phase 3 scale. Launch liquidity pool staking, list on Bitunix, Maxi and Libank. Add 4 new lotteries. Phase 4 expansion. Community driven innovations expand to Solana blockchain, strengthen deflationary measures. Next we have their tokenomic. Total supply is 15 billion tokens. Supply is distributed as shown. 60% price pool, 5% marketing, 30% liquidity and 5% dev and team. 15 billion total tokens. Next we have their upcoming games. Here you can check it out. The exciting upcoming games: Pappy Lottery, Dog Lottery and Ship Lottery. Here you can check it out, all the stuff, winning multiplier, draw, entry coin and furthermore. I'm telling you about this bit later. Next we have the frequently asked question. Here you can check it out, the frequently asked question. You must read the frequently asked question for better understanding, like how does crypto winners ensure fairness in lotteries? At Crypto Winners, fairness and transparency are our top priorities since all our lotteries are conducted on-chain. Every step from ticket purchases to prize distribution is publicly verifiable. Here is how we guarantee a fair and tamper-proof system. And furthermore, you can read their furthermore frequently asked question for better understanding. This is a fabulous project. Next we have that how to buy these tokens. Connect your wallet. Use MetaMask, Trust Wallet or a Web3 wallet. Join Winners Token Price Pool. Buy into Winners Token Price Pool at sale price. Daily winning and launch gains. Win daily prizes and gain up to 15x at launch. Crypto winners, stop hunting, the jackpot's calling. Are you in? This is an outstanding platform. You must invest here and earn a lot of profit. Here you can check it out, their Telegram community. You must join their Telegram community for the latest update and you can also follow them on their Twitter account. Here you can see their latest news and posts right here. This is a fabulous project. Now I'm showing you their white paper. You must read their white paper for better understanding about crypto winners. Daily wins with winners, buy, hold, win and repeat. First we have the investment opportunity of 2025. Game-changing meme coin meet decentralized lottery. Winners token revolutionizes crypto with huge prize pool, instant payouts and deflationary reward. The can't miss opportunity of 2025 5. Massive prize pool plus fair play. On-chain lotteries with audited smart contract and verifiable randomness (VRF). Every draw is probably fair, immediate and generous reward. Winners get instant payout in winners token. 75% of all lottery takings are reinvested through buyback, driving value and scarcity. Deflationary scarcity engine. Capped 15 billion supply, no inflation, token burns, staking reward plus buyback. Number 4. Explosion pre-sale gains. Early investors can secure up to 15x return from pre-sale to launch. With progressive pricing and a fixed launch price, the pre-sale is designed for maximum returns. 9.5 million plus token raised, scalable and future-proof. Built for growth, crypto winners will expand to Solana, ensuring faster, cheaper transaction. More lotteries, liquidity staking, and innovations are on the way. Roadmap to success. From pre-sale to CEX listing, staking, and community-driven expansion, every phase is designed for massive adoption and long-term value. Aggressive marketing and hype. With top-tier influencers, viral community engagement, and a strategic partnership, Crypto Winners is set to become the meme coin plus lottery hybrid of 2025. Next, we have the prize pool sale. The Winners Prize Pool sale is a limited time opportunity to acquire tokens to their lowest available price while contributing to a massive prize pool. Here you can check it out. Their starting price is 0.00016 USDT per token. Target price pool 9.5 million USDT tokens. Launch price is 0.0035 USDT, a potential 15x gain for early buyers. By participating in the prize pool sale, buyers secure tokens to a deep discount while funding a lucrative reward system. Once the target is reached, the token launch at 0.0035 USDT, offering early investors significant upside. Next, we have that how money is made with winners. Earn with Winners token through daily draw, token growth, and prize pool winnings. Winners token maximizes earning potential with instant reward, long-term growth, and high-stake prizes. Daily reward 20x winning change. Everyday participants have a 1 to 20 chances to win a cash prize, providing frequent opportunities for reward. High growth potential at launch. Early adopters benefit from a 15x gain potential when the token launches at 0.0035 USDT, up from the initial sale price of 0.0016 USDT. Live Lottery win for buyers. Purchasing prize pool tokens not only support the ecosystem but also enter participants into live lottery draw with substantial cash prize. Deflationary value increase. A built-in deflationary mechanism reduces token supply over time, driving scarcity and increasing the value of held token. Next, we have their daily draw. The Winners Lottery is your shot to win big. Here is how it works. The 2-ball draw. Every day at the advertised time, 2 balls are drawn on chain. Number 1, meme coin ball. Determines which token you win: Pappy, Shiba, Turbo, Mog, and Winners token. Number 2, multiplier balls. Set your prize multiplier 2x, 5x, 10x, or even 100x you're holding. How winning are paid. Winning in Pappy, Shiba, Turbo, and Mog token are sent straight to your wallet, no waiting. Winning in Winners prize is automatically credited to your Winners token dashboard balance, ready to play again on withdraw. Daily on-chain and transparent. Draw happen every 24 hours, no skip days. Fully verifiable via blockchain, so you know it's fair. No complicated rules, no delay, just daily chances to turn a small bet into a meme coin fortune. Next, we have their upcoming games. Pappy Lottery, 280x multiplier every 4 hours, the most frequent high stakes draw in crypto. Turn Pappy into prize with on-chain fairness. Doge Lottery, 250x wins every 6 hours, powered by Doge's unmatched liquidity, low fees entries, audited payouts, memes meet real utility. Shiba Lottery, max 300x reward twice daily, while with token burns boosting every draw. Shib's volatility now work in your favor to 300x every 12 hours. Next, we have their roadmap. As I already told you about the roadmap, their tokenomic details, and furthermore, this is an amazing platform. You must read their white paper for better understanding about the crypto winner. You must invest here and earn a lot of profit. I hope you liked the video. Before ending the video, I would like to ask you that I'm not the financial advisor. I'm just telling you about the amazing project. So do your own research. We will meet in the next video. Bye.